NITE Manipur. I love dancing, singing, and coding the program in my free time. I am from the middle class family where my mother worked hard to support our family. I am always a shy person but looking forward to learn a new language and acquiring knowledge from this Miss OUGRI. I want to become a successful and independent woman. Lastly, I like to persuade everyone not to influence by the others people. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Your contestant number 12 is Mayang Langbom Nancy.
If you want to burn like a sun, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. A very warm evening to one and all, and of course to my respected judges. I'm Nancy Mayang Langbom from Kakchung Makalaykay, currently pursuing graduation in Geography Honors in DM College of Arts. I'm enchanted by the rising sun and the beauty of nature, which make me take up painting as my hobby. Other than that, I love gardening and reading books. As for my aspiration, I aim to become an Indian Administrative Service officer. As I wish to serve my nation, thank you all and have a great evening.
Put your hands together for Valentina Wahingbom, contestant number 13.
Kurumzuri, a very good evening to my respected judges and everyone present here. I'm Valentina Wahingbom, a girl who loves culture and nature from Sagoban, Wahingbom, Laikai. I'm 21 years of age, currently pursuing Bachelor of Agriculture at Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Institute of Agricultural Sciences. I'm interested in modeling and exploring new things. In future, I aim to utilize my knowledge, spread my ideas, and believe for a bright and prosperous society. Lastly, I would like to conclude by saying, believe in yourself and the world will be at your feet, as believing in yourself is the first secret to success. Thank you. Enjoy your time out here.
gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 14, Ningji Kim Baite.
Good evening, respected judges and everyone present here. I am your contestant number 14, Ningji Kim Baite, 19 years of age from LANGOL, currently pursuing BA 5th semester at DM College of Arts. I'm most comfortable when I'm in front of the camera and I find myself expressing myself vividly and clearly when I make videos. Public speaking has always been my greatest strength. And if given the opportunity to win Miss OUGRI 2022, I will use this platform to raise an awareness against drug abuse and rehabilitation of drug users in our state, Manipur. Youths are the pillars of our state, so it is extremely crucial that they are educated about the ill effect of drugs and how hard it is to control once you fall to its traps. After all, prevention is better than cure. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Contestant number 15 is Lanjene Lucy Kongsai.
Like every single person, I had a fear that comes from within. The fear of failure and the fear of not measuring up. But by overcoming those fears tonight, I am here standing in front of you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lucy, your contestant number 15 from Naipam Kano, Imphal. I'm 20 years of age and I love playing chess. In future, I aspire to become a successful young lady who can inspire people regardless of the gender and age. I believe in love, peace, and kindness, so I chose to stand by these three things and inspire people with these three things in my life. Thank you.
Coming up next is Lokrapong Hillary Chenu, contestant number 16.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And a beautiful, beautiful evening to all the beautiful judges.
I am Lokrakpam Hilary Janu, your contestant number 16, hailing from Wairangkampu Sajeb, an amazing village filled with greenery. I'm currently pursuing my BA Honours in History at SK Women College, Nambol. I love singing and reading novels. You are never too young to change the world. And so, I believe in the power and voice of the youth, because we are not the problems, but solution who holds the key to a better and bright future. I am also a woman who is strongly against corruption, and I will use my voice and this platform to fight against corruption in every possible way, so that our future children does not have to follow the legacy of corruption left by our forefathers. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Make some noise for Catherine Nembiaching, contestant number 17.
Good afternoon, respected judges and everyone present here. I am Catherine Nembiaching from Churachandpur district, currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering at NITE Manipur. I am 20 years old and I love to sing. I believe that hard work is the key to success and that one should always stand up for themselves, which is why I am here tonight. Just being pretty isn't enough to win the crown. One should be hard-hearted, educated, and hard-working. So, I want to encourage you all to stand up for yourself and don't let your dreams remain dreams. Let it shine. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Irungbang Pinky, contestant number 18.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, judges. I'm your contestant number 18, Irungbang Pinky Devi, 22 years old from Moirang of Sumbung Laikai. Currently pursuing B.Pharm at Birtikan University, Kanpur. I love modeling and acting. I aspire to become an actress. I'm participating this pageant to be the voice of the voiceless and to encourage all the women folk to be strong and be able to stand on their own feet. Think like a queen. A queen is never afraid to fail. failure is another stepping stone to greatness. And I don't believe in miracles, but I believe in hard work. Thank you and have a great day.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, welcome Reena Lakshmi Kuraijam, your contestant number 19.
Good evening, respected judges and everyone present here. I am Rani Lakshmi Kuraijam from Langtabao. Currently, I'm studying in class 12 at Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya, Pangai. I have an utmost interest in videography and dancing. I would like to become a professional model in future and contribute towards developing and empowering women in our society. The most important thing to me is to stay true to the woman I was born to with love, respect, and sincerity. Thank you and have a great evening ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is Mona Wangkim, your contestant number 20.
Good evening, respected judges, each and everyone present here. I'm your contestant number 20, Mona Wangkim from Malong. I'm 18 years old. I've recently completed my job standard from Brilliant School. In my spare time, I love to make craft, as crafting is very enjoyable for me. My aim is to become a successful supermodel. Lastly, I would define myself as a very self-motivated and hardworking person, because without motivation and hard work, all dreams remain meaningless. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, up next is contestant number 21, Thongjam Reena Devi.
If beauty was just a pretty face and a certain body shape and size, a blind would never know what beauty is. And therefore, beauty comes in all shapes, size, and colors, but only to open hearts. Extending my honest respect to National Institute of Technology Manipur, our respected judges,
organizers, and every beautiful soul present here. Good evening. I am Thangjum Rina Devi, your contestant number 21 from Wangkai Thangjum Laikai, currently giving my master's second semester final examination of the Department of English and Cultural Studies, Manipur University. Apart from my student life, I am also a youth activist and the founder of Basic Foundation Academy. I aspire to become an international mental health activist, advocating self-love, self-respect, and self-appreciation. I am here to be the voice of inclusive beauty, which I have decided to be in all the remaining pageants that I will be participating in the near future. Last but not the least, I believe in teamwork and therefore best wishes to all of us. Thank you and have a great evening ahead.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that was the first traditional round of Miss OUGRI 2022. Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. First round, round of whom creative round, count round, obviously, lazy. Hariba event, Hariba Miss OUGRI 2022, Sin Lang Bada Achoba. Taudang Lobiri Bakwi sponsors saying Amutangai Patuk Seduna Tagachava Ponduk Chege Eduganga Haki, Matung Daikoi Matang Matang, Makwebu, Ikai Kumnazabut Bob, Kudul Tambagi, Tanjadu Lominasi. Tagachari sponsors Punamak, Ahan Bada, Maidungu Institute of Aviation and Hospitality, diamond sponsor, which will be giving away admission worth rupees 1.5 lakh for the 3 winners. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand! Maidungu Institute of Aviation and Hospitality, ladies and gentlemen. Mathanga, we also have Jenny Kurai sponsoring the makeup. Platinum sponsor, Jenny Kurai. Traditional round sponsor Tobi Kiba. Imphal Handloom Gidamuktasway Ahobukbam Tang Nizari. Gown partner da Ohoho Marcus. Aduga UFC Gym. Gold sponsor right now, free annual membership worth rupees 24.5 thousand each for 3 winners. UFC Gym thank you. Thank you so much. Title sponsor Tobirakpa S. Toiba, Managing Director, Konglei Construction and Consultant Private Limited. Title sponsor Tobirakpa Gidamakta Su. S. Toiba Gidamakta. Thank you so much. We also have Virgin Island sponsoring the Miss OUGRI 2022 second runner-up. Virgin Island. We have Ima Pajabi and Pedocraft. The firm will be giving away gift worth 10,000 for the winner, 7,000 for the first runner-up, and 5,000 for the second runner-up. A big hand! We also have Suraj Wahengbam sponsoring gift worth rupees 5,000 each for the 3 winners. Suraj Wahengbam kita magtisu. Matangda Sapo Salon gift voucher worth rupees 5,000 each for the 3 winners. sinja langjariba mai pakna chathagadoriba si pukchil chawraba sponsors singi thaudang dagini haiba simtang thamjaraga hobu khupam tang ni jabani waru biba yade aroibada medallion gift voucher worth 2,000 for the winner, 1,000 for the first runner up, 600 for the second runner up, and 500 rupees each for all the contestants, ladies and gentlemen. Oh khupam tang koi sponsors singi damakta thagajo phongdokchari aikoi act amatang miyeng taminarakanda sponsors tawbiriba sing chinau sing maruma pang sing puchet chawbi sing koi kai khumnajabagi felicitation gi honor tawjabagi tanjadu lawjage. And please, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to ask your near and dear one, in case if they are not here, to watch this event live on kumhai.com and Pony TV channel. Anigita matuso hobu kuba matanga. Lovely. We will have a performance coming up. Adugi matungde koi honor tawbagi tanjadu lawjage. Thank you. We now have Satriya dance performance. Performing Satriya classical dance. If I'm not wrong, this is a classical form of dance of Assam. Is Muhono Munuhoro. Ladies and gentlemen, Assamgi classical dance oina sakhang krabadugumba Satriya classical dance kadol tambigadoribi. Hobo kubam tangaluna na taramu pigani. Right after the Satriya classical dance, Muhuno Munuhoro, we will have Tongram Koronganbi performing another classical dance for us. You are watching Miss OUGRI 2022, held as part of OUGRI 2022. Resuscitate the aura from 22nd to 24th September 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to come back tomorrow as well, because we have Mega Night, ladies and gentlemen. Mapamasimakta hayeng Mega Night rock concert haizabatari another Londa am the Haizaraga. Pangtok Jagadabani, Sixo Sodramaki, a ceiling, and Vidiba quite a ramadi. Adomadongi friends, Sixo Sodramki, Pubiraga Haying, Su, Ling Biranaba, no luxury.
Murti
Thank you. That was a Satriya classical dance, Muhono Manuhoro. Ladies and gentlemen, atopa classical dance amagamu kudol tamjage, kudol tambiga dauribi, chanupisi maming tongbram koro nganbi. Ladies and gentlemen, naho bakubamatang gumina misi mayam punna tongram korong anbi.
राधा आएगी इमित सीधा ओदुना तले रे नेता जशोदा गे बचा दो कुछ मुबा रास ले बदो मागे बासे गे खुंजिल लेंगम दरे राधा दी मागे नुशी सत्तना कौरी आई बोततना राधा आएगी जशोदा गे मचा दो कुचो मुब राशि ले बदो
Thank you so much, Tongbram Koronganbi, for that wonderful performance of yours. Check. Okay, so while we wait for the next round, that's the creative round, we have another performance from Dr. Yumlembam Bidyananda. And he will be performing Radha Abhishar, classical form of dance, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just to remind you that the event, Miss OUGRI 2022, is being live telecast on Pony TV and kumhai.com. Pony TV is available on ISCOM channel number 142 and MCTV channel number 988. I repeat, Pony TV is available on ISCOM channel number 142 and MCTV channel number 988.
So, a very good evening to everyone. I myself, Dr. Yumlembam Vidyananda Singh. So, I'll be performing a classical solo called Radha Vishar. And this Radha Vishar is a classical performance composed by my professor, Yakom Hemant Kumar. So, in this dance form, Radha set out for Avishara to meet Lord Krishna. The way she went to the Kunja to play Ras Leela with Lord Krishna is being compared with a warrior who is going to a war. So here, who is she gonna fight with? She's gonna fight with the Lord of Love, and that is our Kamdev. So everyone, I'm presenting Radha Vishar.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss OUGRI 2022 is being sponsored by Maidingu Institute of Aviation and Hospitality as diamond sponsor. We also have UFC Gym Gold sponsor, which will be giving away free annual membership worth rupees 24.5K, that's 1,000 each for the 3 winners. We also have the title sponsor, S. Toiba, Managing Director of Konglei Construction and Consultant Private Limited, and Virgin Island as the sponsor of the Miss OUGRI 2022 second runner-up. Presenting is Dr. Yumlembam Vidyananda performing Radha Abhishar.
Lan
Thank you so much, Dr. Yumlimbam Vidyananda, for that wonderful performance of Radha Abhishek. Thakachari amok a second round creative round lantok chananabagi sem saba loire haidana koi takpire adumakpu ekoi sai thamjaki badumanga ngasi ge sunglaba Miss OUGRI 2022 bu sinjalangjabuda chauba mating tobiriba sponsor sing koi tobimal khangba uchabagi tanja ngai haktang lokmenara kanda koi second round creative round si kudol thamjage ahan bada election birakani Thauramasi diamond sponsor Maidingu Institute of Aviation and Hospitality ge mihuda matang lengkhat pirak se duga koi ge sinjalangjari basingi maike degi kudol tamjari ba asi lobi bada saru yabiu haidana kauksin jabani koi ge sinjalangjari basingi maike degi ngasi ge sunglaba Thauramasi da mating pangbira pugidamak tawimal khangbu jabani. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big hand to the representative of Maidingu Institute of Aviation and Hospitality, diamond sponsor of Miss OUGRI 2022. They are sponsoring admission worth rupees 1.5 lakh for the 3 winners of Miss OUGRI 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, Maidingu Institute of Aviation and Hospitality. Thakachawa pongdok chari sinjalangjari busingi maike degi tobimal khangbu chari mathang dalekat piraksi UFC DIM gold sponsor free annual membership worth 24,500 rupees each to the winners. Lekat pirakani UFC gym. Ladies and gentlemen, aho bakuba matangalo na taram nong bigani tobimal khangbu chari thakachawa pongdok chari Sungba Thauramasi sinjalangzabada ekoina haizrubada harau yabiraktuna tengbang biba sponsor oi biba UFC gym gold sponsor sponsoring free annual membership worth rupees 24.5 thousand each for the 3 winners. Ladies and gentlemen, up next, please welcome the traditional round sponsor ekoina ngaki mamangda uzekiba contestant singi traditional round set chakiba Pijol Singh sponsor to biba Imphal Handloom. Please welcome a representative from Imphal Handloom. Lengsin biriba kwai tarana su aina haiba ngai de bida aho bakuba matang sinjalangza bada mating chauna to birakpa punamapu tanja silaujaraga ikai khunajaba to bimal khangbu chebani. Imphal Handloom sponsoring the traditional round attires. Mathangda Miss Photogenic and Miss Catwalk sponsor Taubirakpa Beauty Queen Northeast ki representative amtang lengket pitikna na ba atu sinjalangjari basigi mai kai dige chamber kudul pot khutsinna basida saruya biu haidana noluk chabani. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Beauty Queen Northeast ki representative for sponsoring Miss Photogenic and Miss Catwalk. Okay, here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a big round of applause. Beauty Queen Northeast ki representative for sponsoring Miss Photogenic and Miss Catwalk. Maraktana wafam sintang thamjabani koi sponsor sing in case maphamasina lengsin birpal oiragadi amutang koi organizers sing da pau PBU maphamasina yaurakle haiba gi pau amutang PB nana ba sponsor sing da noluk chabani Yaurei Yaurokte Habakang the Bamaram Nequina, Quigi presentation is include have the Yahon Jabang Amzed. In case if any sponsors are here, please let us know. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, mayam mga siding eyes ay kange. Chumro ay nakali si Chumro. Am I right that you all are waiting for the creative round, right? Haha, love it. Well, ay ngasay tamjaki budungni judges will be deciding the best designer out of this round. Hariba round says that designers sing na makoigi oiba innovative idea, creativity singdu tasal laganda as a product, probably usable oiba product or not usable oiba product but just for the show madugi creativity haibatare designer singi jury singna decide to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to talk much. Please, please welcome all the contestants with their creativity. Presenting next, ladies and gentlemen, is the second round of Miss OUGRI 2022, and this is the creative round. Judges and the juries will be deciding the best designer. Subtitle from the round. This is your contestant number. please. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 1 back on the stage. She is Hatneo Kongsai, your contestant number 1. Your contestant number 2 is Jennifer Nengaiji. Ladies and gentlemen, that is your contestant number 3, Manisha Sinha. Coming up next is contestant number 4, Ping Mei John Haukim. Make some noise for Saxi Parker. Some noise for contestant number 6, Laichombam Apna Devi. in Longbom, Mira Kumori, contestant number 7. Hold your breath, ladies and gentlemen, because here comes Tushira Gupta. Contestant number 9 is Neng Neng Them Tau Tong. Your contestant number 10, Shimran Konjengbong. Ladies and gentlemen, up next is Thodam Siyabati Devi, contestant number 11. Here comes contestant number 12, Mayang Longbom, Nancy. Give it up for Valentina Wahengba, your contestant number 13. To contestant number 14, Ningtakim Baite. Please welcome contestant number 15, Lanzane Lucy Kongsai. Make some noise for Loprakpon Hillary Chanu, contestant number 16. Your next contestant is Catherine Nembiachi, contestant number 17. Next is your contestant number 18, Irumbang Pinky Chanu. Please welcome Ronnie Lakshmi Kuroija, your contestant number 19. Here comes your contestant number 20, Mona Walkham. Contestant number 21 is Tangjam Rina.